Welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this Bedtime Yin Yoga for recovery designed for athletes. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin in a seated position and we'll start by coming into a head to knee pose. So let's start by extending our right leg out long, keeping our right foot flexed towards us. Our left foot can just hug into our right thigh. And from here on your next inhale, let's bring the hands up. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that right leg and then melt it forward. In this pose, we're really breathing into the back of the right leg. So just come back to your breath and see if you can melt just a little bit deeper with each exhale. We'll be here for about another minute or so. And exhale, slowly, mindfully release, roll it back up. From here, let's just take it over to the other side, extending this left leg long, keeping that left foot flexed towards you. Right foot can just hug into that left thigh. And from here on your next inhale, let's bring the hands up. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that left leg and melt it forward. Again, really breathing into the back of the left leg here. Feel free to close your eyes. Try and sink a little bit deeper with each exhale. And on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully release it back up. Great job, you guys. From here, let's make our way into an extended child's pose. So let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, start to walk the hands out long in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat. So in this pose, we're really breathing into the hips as well as the back body. next exhale, very mindfully, let's shift it forward. And we'll come on to our stomachs. And from here, let's make our way up into a Sphinx pose. So let's stack our elbows right underneath our shoulders. Forearms are out in front of us. Palms are pushing into the mat. Breathing here. And on your next exhale, mindfully release from here. Just bring your head down to the mats, and let's put our right ear in the mat. So we're looking over to our left side. Our arms can just rest down by our sides. We'll take a little mini shavasana here. And on your next exhale, let's shift our head to look the other way. So we're resting our left ear in the mats, looking over to our right side. And on your next exhale, very mindfully release. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. So take your time getting there. And then once we do get here, we'll come into a reclined butterfly pose. So simply just bring the soles of the feet together, letting the knees open up wide, letting the hips open up. Couple options with your hands. Option 1, just keep them resting by your sides. Or option 2, you can have one hand on your belly, the other one on your heart. I strongly encourage you to close your eyes here and just simply come back to your breath. One of my favorite hip openers, perfect way to end the day. Next exhale, let's extend the legs out long, extend the arms out long, coming into final Shavasana, letting the body and the mind reap all the benefits from today's practice. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you even want to fall asleep and go to bed here, by all means. Or if you're ready to go, let's rock up, coming into a seated position of your choice. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me tonight. I encourage you to come back to this video after you had a long day in the gym or a long day of practice, or maybe you just played a game, to really help you relax and wind down for the night. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.